Hello everyone, now we'll be examining inequalities. So what are inequalities? These are used to show the relationship between two expressions that are not equal. So as we've been doing so far, or as you're familiar to, when you have an expression like x is equals to 5 plus 2, you know that x is equals to 7, so the value of x is equals to 7. But how do we express relationship that are not equal to each other? So that is what the topic of inequalities address. So now we have some signs that you have to know, and you have to know them really well and not get confused, and that is the less than sign. The less than sign is shown as this over here, and why the greater than sign is shown as this over here, and you should be familiar with these signs. So how do you use them? For example, if I write the number 5, so I can write 5 is less than 7. So what does it mean? 5 is not up to 7. That's the meaning of less than. Also, I can write minus 1 is less than 9. As you know, minus 1 is not up to 9, so I can represent it as less than 9. For greater than, I have 100 greater than 20, and this is pretty straightforward. And minus 5 is greater than minus 10, which is also pretty straightforward. So what are we going to be examining in this module? First, we'll be looking at linear inequalities in one variable. Then we'll be examining linear inequalities in two variables. Then we'll talk about quadratic inequalities. Then talk about absolute inequalities. And at the end, we're going to try to solve some jam-packed questions so we can apply the concepts that I've learned to solving practical questions. So let's get started.